Helder Cardoso from Cabo Verde, Santa Cruz. Art is my life. I do it every day since 2014. Yeah, I'm living an artist, and yeah, for me it's great. And I'm trying to share my art to the world. That's my first mural in Luxembourg, my second in Europe. The world needs art. I used to say, art is life, life is art. My goal is to share art different part in the world. I think the art is the hope. So the world needs more art, and I'm here.